What is up, guys? Welcome to a brand new video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make custom items using Mine-imator. And this uses no extra files, and it's all within the actual game, I guess, or it's all within the actual program. So the first thing I'm going to show you how to do is edit already made pictures without using files. So for example, let's say that I want to make this chest plate have a lightning bolt on it. What I have to do is I have to go to upload a surface, and I would have to pick a lightning bolt, and remember to use a transparent background for the lightning bolt. And otherwise you're going to have a white background and it's not going to look right. Then you click create and make sure it's not facing the camera. And then for this lightning bolt, I would like to turn it because I don't like it this way, so I'm going to turn it to maybe 35. Okay, that looks better. And then, so now what we're going to do is that since I want this to be on the chest plate, first I want to have to scale it down so that it looks better on the chest plate. So maybe 0.40. No, it's too small. 0.70. Okay. It's a bit too big. Actually, I think 0. Let's just do 0.5. This is half of the actual size, and then we're going to bring it out a bit. And then, so if your character isn't moving at all in your entire animation, then once you have this aligned up perfectly, then it's fine. So if you are going to make it such your character is moving, you're going to want to go to this, you're going to go to your surface properties, and then you're going to want to change its parent to the chest plate. So now whenever you do this, it is going to set at a random space, but if you realign it properly, there you go. And now that it's set to parent, and now that it's set to the chest plate, it will, so wherever the chest plate moves, it will move. So for example, let's say that we want to make our character in the 20th frame, we want our character to be over here, and then we want to make this a running animation. Now, if we pay attention to the lightning bolt, it will move with the character instead of you having to move it as the character's moving. And so that's the first thing. Now the second thing is creating, so in the last video, I did creating custom items in mine, or custom blocks, sorry, and this one, so we're going to use that same strategy where we make our own pixelated things, except we're also going to add other things to it. So I'll show you what I mean. So we'll insert a block. Let's do something brown. That does not look good. Let's do color terracotta in a brown, and that's good enough. So in the last one, we showed how we scale this down to 0.10, which is around a pixel size. And we want to go to our project properties, no, not background, library. And then we're going to click repeat, and then we're going to make it like a long staff. And now I'm just doing this. You don't have to do this. I'm just picking to make it like a staff. And we're going to want to turn it around 90 degrees. And then also we're going to want to move the arm up so that it looks more like he's holding the staff. I actually don't like it this thick. I think I'm going to do 0.09 maybe. Okay, that looks better. So now we're going to want to rotate this We're going to want to align it up. So actually, since that we have this character moving, we're going to want to align it up to the left arm. So now this will stay with the left arm. Wherever the left arm goes. So now we just have to align this up with the left arm. So let's say that he's gonna hold the staff like that. Or actually that doesn't look like a good position for the staff. Let's move that up. There we go. So now that's his staff. And I think that this is a bit thick. So I'm gonna do I'm gonna do 0.06 maybe. Yeah, that looks better. So now it looks a bit more like a wand. So you can just leave it at this, and then if you play the animation, it actually kind of sticks with him. But the only reason why it doesn't stick with him is because... Okay, sorry, I put this on the wrong parented hand. Okay. This is supposed to be for the right arm. So if I can just get that, there we go. So remember to put it at the right parent, otherwise it's not going to work properly. And now that that's done, if we play our animation, it works pretty well. And now we are going to want to, if you want, you can edit this frame for frame to make sure that it looks proper. But I'll let you guys do that. And then our last thing is that if you want it to just look like a wand, you can leave it like this, or you can add a surface over here. So now this would be like the top of the wand, and now we'll scale this down to 0.8. Okay, that's it. That's all right. 0.8. No. Do 0.4 or 5. And now we're also going to want to parent this to the stick, or what's it called? Colored terracotta, I guess. And now that it's like that, just get this. Yes, there it is. So now, I have no idea where it just went. Oh, the sphere is tiny. Okay, we don't need to make that 0.5. We'll make that maybe 1. Okay, that's still tiny. So you can pick whatever size you want for this. I think I'm gonna make it maybe about that big. Looks good. And then I'm gonna want to put this over here onto the orb, or onto the stick. And you can also do this with you can do this with an actual stick. I just think that this looks better. And let's say that you want that to be bigger, because I don't like how small that is. Maybe like that big. And drag it down a bit. And done. And now that it's parented to that arm too, or that thing, it's an actual wand. And then you can do whatever you want with this. You can make it like zap lightning or something like that. And that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed. And like I said in the last video, 10 more subscribers for a continuation of custom items and stuff. And see you guys in the next video. So bye.